from the Tools ribbon, you have the inquiry commands available to you. These commands give you more comprehensive information about your drawing or specific entities within your drawing. The first command is a simple distance command. I can use my entity snaps to pick a starting point, and as I move my mouse, you can see at the bottom of the program you get a dynamic update of distance and bearing to the mouse pointer location. Again, I could use my snaps and see that to 0.67 here I've got 66.9 feet, I guess, in this case. So I can actually click to an endpoint here, and we can see in our command line we're showing the distance as well as delta x, delta y, and delta z between those 2 points. We also have an area command. Again, I can use my object snaps to pick areas or pick points within the drawing, or I can just simply pick anywhere. And if I hit enter, no matter where my mouse is, it'll close off to the starting point, and it will display an area and perimeter in the command line. F2 will bring up a pop out of your command history. We can see the same information again. We also have the ID coordinates command. So if I pick that, maybe pick on a corner of this square here, we can get exact coordinates for that object, or for that point rather. We can list entity info. So I could choose on this distance, for example, hit enter. Our prompt will come up in an external window. We can see the type of object, the unique handle, which space we're in model space, the layer that object is on, line type, color, and much of the property information of that entity. Again, F2 or close will close the popped out command window. Variable setting, if we just hit enter, we'll bring up a list of all the variables for this specific drawing. We can keep hitting enter and it'll list through them. So this can be good information if you're looking for a specific variable and to know what it's set to. Drawing status, we can pick on that, and this will give us some handy information. We can know the limits of the drawing, the screen width and height, some of the current color and layer that we're set to, as well as some other information. And here you might find it useful to know the total number of entities within your drawing. Last but not least, the time variables. And this will just simply show you when the drawing was created, when it was last updated, total editing time. You can also start or reset a timer, which may come in handy if you're trying to track specifics within a larger project. And that's really the basics of the inquiry commands. There's a lot of information in there to sort through, but if you're looking for something specific, it's a good resource to have.